Number 234, the perimeter of a square is 88 centimeters. What is its area? So pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 7,744, 484, 22, 156 square centimeters, and none of the above. Okay, so what is the formula for the perimeter? Perimeter of a square is 88 centimeters. So the formula for perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length of its side, 4s. So the question is, what is its area? So the formula for area of a square is equal to s squared. Okay, so first we need to solve the value of s. So given the perimeter of a square is 88 centimeters, so just substitute 88 to the p. So 88 is equal to 4s, and then we solve for s. To solve for s, just divide both sides by 4. So therefore, the length of the side is 88 divided by 4. That is equal to 22 centimeters. So now substitute the value of S to the formula for area. Area is equal to S squared. So substitute 22 to this. So therefore, the area is equal to 22 squared. So 22 squared is 22 times 22. So let's just do this manually. So we have 22 times 22. That is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is another 4, and then 2 times 22, so another 44. Let's add this. So we have 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, bring down 4. So therefore, the area is 484 square centimeters, which is letter B. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito na mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.